Good morning.
Hello, good morning. And then the first trial of the breakfast. And like all sorts of things. You got like dumplings, but dumplings are meaty. Well, there are like loads of like veg-based things like rice and leek and squash. So yeah, noodles. I'm not sure what things are about these things, but they smell good. So look at that.
Just some sort of pickled vegetable.
Yeah, pickled veg. So at least there are things that you can't go wrong. You know, like there are loads of veg things and noodles and rice. So it's actually quite good. It's already like 30 degrees and it's like hardly 8 o'clock. But it's going well. Yeah. So this is warm orange juice. Because nobody drinks like cold drinks here in this country, so which is good because as long as it's warm, you don't sweat that much. So it's nice actually. Breakfast was awesome. I'm already fattening.
My face feels so greasy I need to wash it.
Yeah. I'm not surprised because it's like 30 degrees here.
What the humidity is doing to my hair.
Yeah.
My hair does
Like
not do this.
literally.
It's so good. It's so flicky and annoying.
What's gonna be great about this? That everything looks very, very modern.
Yesterday.
Right, we've just met with loads of other echo features, and we are going up somewhere now. Hopefully, we're gonna know a bit more in about 10-15 minutes. So let's walk. It's quite interesting. It's really hot. Oh wow, look at this, man. Look at this, Kate. Looks like the Echo office.
It might be.
Yeah. Well, there we go.
Free Coke.
Yeah, so we are in a noodle bar and nobody speaks English, but with the phone app we actually managed to translate what we wanted. So we're actually getting meat-free noodles and yeah, compared to hopefully and yeah. Oh yeah.
Brilliant, thank you.
Oh yeah, here it is. That's beautiful, man. That's awesome. What a portion, man.
It's massive.
Look at the size of it. Amazing. Right, I've pretty much demolished mine. Katie's got quite a lot there, but we are doing really well. It's a lot of food. A lot of food.
It's very nice.
We got 3 Coke. Oh yeah. Right, so we just finished our first academic training day, and it's way too long. way too
9
long.
hours.
Way too long, way too hardcore, so
Freezing in an aircon.
yeah, and it's freezing. I mean, outside is like it's already very humid, like easily like 40 degrees with the humidity.
Oh yeah.
If you count the humidity, it's easily 40 degrees, and then inside is like 18 or something like that. And then you sit there for 9 hours. It's just absolutely like it's bad. So
But like the teachers who did the training were awesome.
the teachers were all right.
There was some good content in there.
Yeah, good content, couple of stupid like activities, but like that just comes with it. So it's not too bad. And good news for today that apparently my bag has been found. So that's good. And it's on its way. So we'll see. Right, let's walk back home. Oh, it started raining, but it's proper coming down. It's awesome.